Hi, it's Kaylee Baker, and this is my presentation on Instant Ice. I wanted to put my thoughts of what I thought was going to happen with the Instant Ice. I think that the water in the bottle will freeze up and possibly make a crystal-like texture in the bottle. I did some practice attempts on Instant Ice. The first attempt was a failure. It turned it into ice with water, but it didn't make a crystal. I left it in the freezer for 2 hours and 45 minutes, and this is what it turned into. Some of it melted, but it made a crystal in the center, kind of, but it was more like just water than anything. My second attempt, I left it in the freezer this time for 3 hours. It froze into ice all around the bottle. The ice was pretty much broken up in the bottle more than anything. It was in chunks. The third attempt worked. I left it in the freezer for 1 hour and 45 minutes. It worked out well. The ice froze up in the bottle when it got jabbed, and it made the water bottle hard on the outside. It melted, but I have a photo at the end to show that it worked. And then the fourth attempt, I left it in the freezer for 1 hour. It failed. It was all too slushy, more than anything. It freezes immediately when an impurity is added to the cooled pure water. It speeds up the crystallization process even more. The water instantly freezes solid with no slush anywhere. The process that is taking place is the water freezes in a small crystal in the water bottle with no slush. So what happened was the bottle froze up on the inside of the bottle more when it got jabbed. It also made the bottle tough on the outside. So I did some facts on Instant Ice. So number one, it takes 30 minutes to 2 hours to get the water cool enough to make Instant Ice. Number two, ice is 9% less dense than water. Since water is heavier, it displaces the lighter ice, causing the ice to float on top. Number three, the mass of ice is smaller as compared to that of the liquid water, hence we conclude that ice is less dense than water and hence ice floats on water. Proof of me doing the Instant Ice. So the first photo is me filling the water bottle, and then the second photo is me putting the water bottle in the freezer, and then the third is me leaving the water bottle in the freezer for so many hours. And then the fourth photo is the water bottle that I said worked. It was solid when it got jabbed, and then it melted really fast. So I don't know why that happened. Um, so I wanted to have a photo because it melted, and that's proof that it worked, but it only worked once for me, so most of it was a failure. And yeah, that's my presentation on Instant Ice.